Meaning of he.
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 He. He is a third-person singular pronoun that refers to a male person or animal. It is often used in place of the person's name to avoid repetition. The word he is commonly used in the English language, especially in written communication, such as books, articles, and emails. In just 84 words, it can be said that he is a pronoun that indicates a male person or animal. It is a useful word to use in writing when referring to a male entity without having to repeat their name. The simplicity of the word he makes it an effective tool for streamlining communication, both written and verbal, while still conveying the intended meaning clearly.